A spiritual truth takes us on a unique journey, a journey that will change our life. This journey will lead to the limit of knowledge and happiness. We are small particles of this world. We all have only one search: good health, knowledge, good fortune, power. The world power is present in the whole universe. With the power, the whole star, planet, man, atom is bound. We get a little world power from deep sleep. Sleep is the unconscious meditation, which we use in daily physical and mental work. Meditation is easy sleep. To do meditation, all the movements of our body have to be stopped, like watching the movement of the body speaking and thinking. The first task for meditation is to sit comfortably in the physical position. Bend both legs and keep both the hands above the knee. The waist should be straight and the body should be loose. Close your both eyes. Concentrate between the eyebrows or little above the middle of both eyes. Stop listening to the sound inside and outside. Give up the thoughts that come into your mind. Do not breathe in or out consciously. Inhaling or exhaling should be spontaneous. Now you are feeling yourself in the dark. This is your pure spiritual stage. Keep your attention constantly in the darkness between the two eyebrows. This is the stage in which a spiritual power will flow over you. There are more than 72,000 colorless nerves in the vital body, which is spread from head to toe. The spiritual invisible power that we get from meditation reaches all the nerves of the body, due to which we get a lot of energy in our body. Having more energy gives us a feeling of amazing power. Meditation makes you healthy and supremely blissful. Meditation can be done from 30 minutes to 2.5 hours. With the power and knowledge obtained from more meditation, our consciousness expands, and the expansion of consciousness is the goal of the soul. We get more knowledge from the divine eyes and the subtle body. When the divine eye start getting stressed or itchy, glimpses of different colors are seen moving around us. Then we feel that we are running in a rotating dark tunnel. We are not able to stop ourselves and we are being entered in the dark cave which is constantly rotating. This journey is called a spiritual journey in spiritual languages. When the dreadful journey at the dark cave ends, a vast light appears, whose radiance is many times brighter than the sun. Then we feel wonderful pleasure. Then the feel that is our destination. If you like this video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe.